Oh shoot, are we ready? Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, it's your lucky day. You actually did not miss this video. You're just in time. This is my newest listing in Coach Hill. It's a 2-bedroom townhome over 1,400 square feet. Let's have a look. So this is where all the excitement begins on the inside. This place has been renovated and looks great. It's a corner unit. Of course, it has a plethora of light colors, new carpet, new flooring, and this is just the main floor. Wait till we get upstairs. So here upstairs, we have plenty of room. Oh my gosh, what was that? We have plenty of room in the primary bedroom. As you can see, come around this corner here into the massive ensuite bathroom with his and her sinks, new flooring as well. And then on the other side, we also have a wonderfully sized second bedroom.